Okay, to do this assignment, you should download the Excel workbook, follow the instructions and answer the questions. Have a look at the travel expense calculator worksheet. I'm here. Note there are a cute few errors. The errors are these ones. Start by addressing the problem of the missing exchange rates by naming the ranges. Go to the currency rates worksheet and use create from selection. So name all the rates using the labels in column A. I will select all of them. I will press the shortcut Ctrl Shift F3 and it is okay. My labels all of the left column. Next, um, what value is now showing for the total expense in K3? Again to my travel expense calculator, it is 17.92. While the calculation of other expenses is looking better, it is still not correct. Open the name manager. I will use my shortcut Ctrl F3 and have a look at the name ranges X rate and other. I will make it whether this edit the X rate to go from edit L11 to L21. L21. I just want to make sure. Okay, I press OK, and I also will edit the other name range. I'm going to edit and from J11 to J21. Okay. Other expenses have been corrected. What is the total for other as shown in case 6? I will close this. And now is 27.12. Let's fix total transportation cost. Next, open the name manager. There is a name range called travel opera cost, but this is a wrong name. Change it to travel cost and click OK. Again, I will open my name manager with the shortcut Ctrl F3. I have Ctrl F3 and I'm going to edit travel cost. I will edit the name. I just going to remove travel costs and I will press OK. What is the value for transport as shown in K3? K3. I will copy paste it. Next, accommodation cost. Use any method you think suitable to give the name accommodation cost to range F11. I want to place here. Paste 11 to F11 to F21. I'm going to select all of this and press my shortcut Ctrl Shift F3 at the top row and press OK. Oh my god. Ctrl Shift F3. OK. What is the total accommodation as shown in K4? Is this one? I just want to show you. Copy paste it. And now to fix meals, let's be efficient and use create from selection to name all the 3 ranges simultaneously from G10 to I21. I'm going to place on those columns G. I will select it, Ctrl Shift F3. OK. What is the total cost of meal as shown in K5? I'm going to return to K5 and going to copy paste it. Now, our travel expense calculator worksheet is now looking good, but we would also like to complete a breakdown of expense by region. Start by adding the following name ranges. I'm going to open my name manager again, Ctrl F3, and I'm going to create a new one. The first one is going to call London, London, and it is going to be from um, E15 to J18. So, okay, I'm going to press OK. The next one is going to be Paris, and it is going to be from E19, E19 to J21, and I will press OK. And the last one is going to be Jakarta, Jakarta, and it is going to be from E19, E19 to J21. Okay, and I'm just going to make sure that it is okay. Jakarta from A19 to J21, and next Paris A21. Oh my god, I missed one. I'm going to edit because I did it wrong, but no problem. Paris A E15 to J18. Okay, and London, London. Where is London? Okay, E15. I did it wrong again. Okay, I'm going to correct it. Correct it. E11 to G14. Okay. Mm, Paris. Where is Paris? E15 and Jakarta. Okay, I'm going to close my name manager and now go to the summary by region worksheet and observe the calculated values for London. What is the summary value for London in local currency? This one I'm going to copy paste it. I'm going to clear my signs and my commas. Next, stay in the summary by region worksheet. Enter the formula in C5 to add up the total amount spent in Paris. Then do the same in C6 for Jakarta. Using the name ranges and the sum function, what are the formulas to use here? Okay, I'm going to type equals sum and Paris. Okay, equals sum Jakarta. Okay, Jakarta. What is the formula to use here? I can paste one of them. I just going to select the formula, copy down. It's correct if you put even some equals Jakarta or some equals Paris. It's the same. Stay on the summary variation worksheet in D6. Create a calculation to convert euros to dollars by multiplying the euros by the exchange rate for euro. Okay, I'm going to type equals C5 times euro. Oh my god. And the same for this. That times EDR. What is the formula in D5? This one. I'm going to copy paste. Click in D7. Oh my god. And use the AutoSum to get the total spent in USD. AutoSum. What is the value? I'm going to copy paste it. I'm going to remove the comma and also the dollar sign. Click in B9 and use the paste names tool to paste all the name ranges in your workbook. B9. Where is the contents? For pasting, I just want to click F3 and I'm going to click on paste list. And I'm going to look for the cell C28 and I'm going to copy paste. Look at the travel expense calculator worksheet. What is the value of total meals in cell K5? I'm going to move to cell K5. I'm going to copy paste it. What is the value of total other expense in cell K6? How many rows are in your name manager? I just want to open my name manager, my shortcut Control F3, and I'm going to count it one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. I'm going to close it. And in the travel expense calculator sheet, what is the value of total trip expenses in K7? I'm going to copy, paste it, and round it. In the travel expense calculator worksheet, what is the value of L21? I just want to move to that cell and I'm going to copy it, paste it, and rounding to 3 decimal places. I'm just going to remove the 0 and I'm going to submit. And this is the correct responses for the defined names for working more efficiently with data. Thank you.